Hello everybody, hope everyone is doing great. Today I'm going to teach you the inscribed angle. Okay, an angle whose vertex is on a circle and whose sides contain chords of the circle is called an inscribed circle. As you see in the figure, the angle ABC, okay, the vertex is what on the circle, and also BC and AC, which are the sides of the angle, is makes a chord. Okay, it means BC is also a chord of a circle, and also BA or AB is a chord of a circle. So this angle is called inscribed angle. Okay, an angle ABC is inscribed angle of a circle if AB and BC are the chord of the circle. If AB and BC, if they are chord, so ABC is called an inscribed angle. The arc AC is the intercepted arc of the inscribed angle ABC. This arc, okay, this arc is intercepted arc of inscribed angle, okay, angle of ABC. Property: the measure of an inscribed angle, okay, this property will let us to know how to find the angle of the inscribed angle. Okay, the measure of an inscribed angle is the half of the measure of the central angle intercepting the same arc, as you see in the figure. Okay, we have a vertex point in B, okay, and also two chords, and also we have an angle here. This is central angle. They are intercepting the same arc, okay, as you see in the figure. The central angle and the inscribed angle intercepts the same arc, okay. So the measure of this angle is equal to half of the measure of this angle, okay. Measure of ABC is equal to half of the measure of AOC. It means measure of an inscribed angle is half of the measure of central angle, okay, as you see in the figure. Okay, rule: the measure of an inscribed angle, it means the measure of inscribed angle is equal to half of the measure of its intercepted arc, okay. Measure of the intercepted arc, it means, as we studied in the previous page, the measure of the inscribed angle is equal to measure of half of the measure of the central angle, which intercepted the same arc. As you see, as we studied before, the measure of the central angle is equal to the measure of the arc, okay. So when they are equal, so this is also equals to the formula of this. It means the measure of the inscribed angle is equal to half of the measure of the intercepted arc, okay. Measure of this angle is equal to the measure of half of the measure of intercepted arc. Let me choose solve some questions, okay. Exercise. First question. Look, we are going to find the x, okay. What is x? X is equal to the measure of AC arc. AC arc, okay. We have measure of angle ABC. ABC is equal to 50 degree. It means that our inscribed angle is 50 degree, okay. So in the formula we have said that measure of angle ABC or inscribed angle is equal to half of measure of intercepted arc. It means AC. So what's the measure of ABC is equal to 50 degree. 50 degree is equal to 1/2 measure of AC, arc AC. So what should we do? If we divide both sides of the equation by 1/2, 1/2 cancels, 1/2. So the measure of arc AC is equal to 50 divided by 1/2 is equal to 100 degrees. Okay, so the x is 100 degrees. And also the second question, like the first question, if you're going to find the angle of the intercepted arc, okay, or inscribed angle, so measure of ABC, okay, angle ABC is equal to half of the measure of intercepted arc. What's intercepted arc? AC, okay, measure of AC. So what's measure of AC? ABC is equal to 1/2. Measure of AC is equal to 120 degrees. So 1/2 times 1/20, it means 1/20 divided by 2 is equal to 60. So measure of ABC is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, this is 60 degrees. The third questions, we have inscribed angle and also we have central angle. So first, measure of the central angle, measure of the AOC. AOC is equal to measure of AC. Okay, this was the rule. It means measure of the central angle is equal to measure of the intercepted arc. So measure of inscribed angle ABC is equal to half of the measure of what? Half of the measure of central angle. Okay, AOC. So what is the measure of AOC? Is equal to 90 degree. When it's 90 degree, this arc is also 90 degree. So measure of ABC, it means inscribed angle, is equal to measure of AOC is equal to 90 degree. 90 degree over 2 is equal to 45 degree. It means the measure of X is equal to 45 degree. Okay. Thanks dear students for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.